Achọrọ m illustrate gị the character and the behavior of a manipulator, because in our society today we have a lot of manipulator, but some of you may not know that someone may be manipulating you, even your husband, even your wife, even your mother, your sister, your brother, or your father may be even manipulating you that you will not even know. Do you understand me? Because I have seen a lot of people calling some people on this social media that they are manipulators. But let me read it out for you to understand. So you, when you will see one, you will know. Now, who is a manipulator? A manipulator is a person, number one, shift blame. They avoid responsibility even when they are accused, when they are caused the issue. They will point the finger at you or someone else. Yeah, number one is ammonia by manipulator. Now, number two, borrow that now play the victim card. A manipulator will always play the victim card for you to even start sympathizing him or her. Akwa nyanwa bụ onye ka ọ sụrụ ife o, otu o ya ebido mebe azụ onye na-anwụ anwụ na-egbuo ya na-ebu ya nka bu ya ntamimoloko. Now that second one we say that na they make themselves look hurt, misunderstood or attacked, so you end up comforting them instead of addressing the real problem. Now pay attention o, instead of addressing the real problem, they will keep on avoiding the real issue. Do you understand me? That's a pray that emotional card they have. You got to go now. Alapos address the real issue on ground, like what we are seeing in social media now. Now the third one said that na change the topic. A manipulator wants something like this or try a way to divert people's attention, moving from one place to the other. That's enough. They are not actually changing the whole issue, the whole narrative. Now, also that now, when the issue gets too close to the truth, they are distract you, bring up unrelated things, or bring up your past mistake to confuse you. Now, for web gaslighting, they deny what happened to twist your words or make you doubt your memory, so the issue becomes your misunderstanding. Five for web give silent treatment or withdraw. They punish you by ignoring you until you feel guilt and try to fix the issue for them. Na-aghọta na ife a bụ ways eji ama a manipulator. Now since you say that now use guilt, now they make you feel like you are ungrateful, too emotional, or the problem is your fault for overreacting. Ama m ịghọta ife a na. Seven, wee sị pretend to solve the issue. They may act nice for a moment, promise change or apologize without meaning it, just to calm the situation until they repeat the same behavior again. Ị na-afụ na ife a bụ ife ọ ga-abụ ị na-afụ around somebody ọbụla gị na ya na-abụ na-eme ife mara amarị na onye a na-amanipulate gị. I just want you to know, because all your ban equal manipulator, some of you are equal, but you don't even know if no one can manipulate. People can pretend too long. If feeling again a fact. So be very, very careful. That's why as with this social media you need something came up like this. Sit back, watch, look things side by side before you jump into matter. Or put every matter call ya before like this, you jump into it. You jump into it at the last before that you know you are at fault because you don't control your emotion. So be very, very careful on this social media. I'm not gonna share this video.